What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, that channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your beloved host, Boski, back with another video about another project that I'm super excited about that's getting ready to launch called Lava Financial. Now, if you're new to this channel, we talk about crypto projects, give people like you and me the opportunity to make passive income in the crypto space. So if you like content like that, do your man a favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, get that bell notification, and share the video so that way it can support the channel and it can grow. And you get to get new content when I drop new videos like this. So with that being said, man, I'm super excited. I don't want to do too much talking. Get straight to the video. Let's go. Okay, when you come to lava.financial, it says, welcome to the most explosive place in DeFi. Now, the website's not completely up. It's launching soon, so if you even try to go to the D app, once you go to the Discord, you can see they have a lot of members to the Discord. This community is very, very healthy. They have 19,000 people in their community right now as we speak. They give you all the, if you go to the official links, you can see the website, the Twitter, the Medium, the Discord, the YouTube, the Telegram. They got all of it, family. I'm talking about all of it. They ready to go, I'm telling you. Then you hop over to their Twitter page. I'm gonna show you they popping off right now. They got 15,000 followers on Discord. They just joined on December 21st. I guarantee you, this one right here is going to be up there to like 50 to 100,000. Watch what I tell you. And if you want to go to the website, you just click the little lava.financial and it'll take you straight there. Okay, we're going to go over the white paper, Lava Financial white paper. On page 2, the table of contents, it gives you everything they're going to discuss and go over, the roadmap, the flexible nodes, and everything, what you're going to need to create a node with them. Page 3, it says, welcome to the most explosive place in DeFi. We've seen it on the first page. Now, they said over the last few months, we've seen countless nodes and DAOs and rebase protocols fail. We've seen high-yield, fly-by-night projects that shoot to the moon and then they flatline. We've seen enormous treasuries that fail to invest to their full potential and die a slow death due to inflation and an unsustainable model. After these failures that have been observed in the space, teams are rushing to find the balance between high yield and long-term sustainability. At Lava Financial, we want to have a place where you can park your capital and be confident that you will have steady, sustainable income for years to come. We've analyzed the failures of previous models and are now proud to introduce the first self-sustaining long-term passive income protocol. Now, they do have 3 phases to self-sustainability. This is their 3 plans that they have. They got the first phase is treasury growth via Lava token, and then they have the second phase of revenue share model within Lava, and then complete self-sustainability is the 3rd phase. So in the first phase, it said the Lava is a pseudo crowdfunding venture capital token that allows Lava Financial to grow its treasury. The funds generated will be put to work, generating yields for the treasury and investors. In the time leading up to the transition to phase 2, the team will be utilizing numerous investment strategies and methods of revenue generation. During this time, the team may elect to distribute USDCE to node holders as an initial means of revenue share. You have to excuse me, people. I am in the lobby of the hotel, so I can't help it. My room is something's getting done in my room, so I had to record this video before this project drops, so excuse me. Now, phase 2 of their plan is the revenue share. Once the treasury has been built to a substantial amount, our innovative in-Lava contract will be implemented. This will allow users to claim a percentage of the rewards in in-Lava tokens, which are redeemable for a portion of the treasury's return on investment. Node payouts in Lava will start small, but as the treasury grows, so will the percentage of in-Lava payouts. This Lava and in-Lava ratio will fluctuate throughout phase 2, with the goal being that in-Lava will be the way that you get paid in your rewards at the end of the day. Now, phase 3 is how they plan to complete self-sustainability. The protocol will now be able to support 100% in-Lava payouts and will be fully self-sustainable with income generated via sister projects, treasury farming, healthy taxes, angel investments, and royalties. The Lava token will be only used for node purchases and supplemental node rewards during the times of contraction. Then going down the page 5, they show the node creation. They had 3 nodes. They had the Fuji, the Katoa, the Nova Rupta. I guess I'm saying it right. Don't knock me because I said it wrong. Leave me a comment if you got it right. Now, to create the Fuji is going to cost 100 Lava, and you get 0.8 tokens a day. And it's going to cost a $15 USDCE maintenance fee for the protocol to maintain it. Your rate of return is like 125 days. The second node, it costs 200 Lavas to create. You get 2 tokens per day as a reward, and it costs a $20 USDC maintenance fee. The return on your investment is 100 days. Going to the biggest one, Nova Rupta, I hope I'm saying it right. It costs 500 lava. You get 6 tokens a day, and it's a $35 USDCE maintenance fee. Return on your investment is only a mere 83 days. So you're looking at 2.5 months to get your money back. So I actually kind of like that they're doing a monthly maintenance fee, because it actually gives the protocol more money to actually sustain itself. You see a lot of protocols that don't have the monthly maintenance fee, but they just try to do the tax. Sometimes the tax actually causes people to go elsewhere. They don't like being taxed as much. But by having the monthly maintenance fee, just imagine you got 100,000 nodes of the Fuji nodes and you're charging $15. That's 1.5 million that the protocol has to put back into the treasury and stuff like that to dish out, versus not having anything and just using taxes to try and sustain the project. So I think it's actually a dope idea. I think it's going to help the project out a lot. Now, the node creation options are you can buy lava directly from the market and create one of the 3 types of nodes that you see, or you can mint a node. Users can mint a node using USDCE or lava USDCE liquidity pair tokens, which you can do that and make your nodes. Or you can compound existing lava rewards into a new node tax-free. You can compound rewards from a flexible node into permanent nodes and node fusion. We're going to talk about that as well. They got some great ideas going over here at this project. I see why everybody jumping on it. Then they just show the distribution of when you create a node down here. 80% go to the rewards pool, 10% get burned, 10% goes to liquidity pair. Like I said, they got flexible nodes for users who aren't able to purchase an entire node. Lava will offer flexible nodes which will have a minimum deposit of 1 lava and will earn reward rates of 0.5% daily. One of the unique elements of Lava's flexible nodes is that a user can continue to deposit and work their way up and compound into a full node. This means that smaller wallets will be able to participate for a minimum upfront cost and compound their way to a larger wallet. Now, something else that makes this project dope, they have node fusion. One element of other node projects we weren't happy about is how users are stuck with whatever node they purchase with no upgrade path. At Lava, users will be able to compound their way up to the highest node by a process we call node fusion. For example, you can combine 2 Fuji nodes into a Cortada, netting you a higher daily percentage yield permanently for only a small fusion fee. So pretty much you can start off with, let's go back up here. So you can have, let's say you have a Fuji node. You can start off with a Fuji node and you get a second Fuji node, and you can then fuse those nodes together and you can create a Krakatoa. Then they further go on to show you the treasury distribution, how they plan the business expenses and team salary, and the revenue streams that they plan to have. Yield farming, leverage stable looping and stuff like that. I suggest you just go over and read all this stuff together in its entirety. That way you don't miss out anything, because I'm not going to say everything that's supposed to be on there, but they do plan on staking and holding blue chip tokens like Avax, Maddox, and Solana, and the rest of those good blue chip tokens that pretty much not going anywhere for a while. And then they have sister projects. They actually have projects that's going to be under the Lava financial umbrella. So they have these 3 down here at the bottom. You can see Project Monetea, Project Athena, and Project Flora. So those are going to be sister projects, going to be helping to feed the actual protocol itself. Then they come down to a section about taxes. We all know about the taxes. Taxes are just another method of maintaining long-term sustainability by committing 100% of funds to the treasury. Taxes will break down as follows. There'll be a 15% sales tax. 100% of this tax will go to the treasury as USDCE. So they already have plans in place to actually start getting the USDCE into the treasury, for it's actually smart actually. And then they have a 0% claim tax. A lot of node protocols, when you claim your rewards, you're getting taxed for just claiming your rewards. So they have frictionless experience with moving tokens from the rewards to the flexible nodes. So that's actually a plus if you ask me. In their tokenomics, they have a max supply of 10 million. At launch price, it's going to be 60 cents USDCE. Every wallet has a max amount of lava they can have. You can have 20,000 lavas in there. They have a burn rate of 10% and a transfer tax of 50%. Then they talk about the supply distribution. 6% is going to the whitelist sales, 600,000 tokens to the white people that got into the project early. 800,000 liquidity pair, and the rewards pool has 8,600,000 of them. They talk about the OTC system, which listen to this. This is the first time I ever seen this right here. In the days following launch, we will have an OTC ticket system that functions via Discord bot, developed solely for our servers. Members will be able to initiate trades through the system and sell directly to other buyers. We encourage our ethical whales to use the system and avoid dumping on the live market. So pretty much instead of having the whales just go into the market and just dump as much as they can to make the price go down, you're able to trade directly to other people who want to buy it. So it won't even affect the market really, you know. They actually have the liquidity still in there if people use this method. Then further down they show a chart, if you mint using lava, that's the path it's going to take. If you mint using the USDC pair, liquidity pair token, they're just showing that. I'm not going to go over that. That's a whole lot of work right there. Now, they did do like what Strong did by having the NFTs that give you boosters on your rewards. And they have a level 1, level 2, level 3. It's only going to be 100 level 1s. There's going to be 50 level 2s and 20 level 3s. And each one of these comes with a node. So it says node included. That's the type of node you get if you get the NFT, and they say the price is right there. The level 1 is going to be 8 AVAX, the level 2 is going to be 20 AVAX, and the level 3 is going to be 40 AVAX. So one of those NFT boosters, they're not out yet before launch. If you're trying to get one, you're going to have to get your hands on one fast. I'm telling you, it's only 100 of one. I think it was 30 of another and 50 of another and 20 of the other one. So it's like 170 of them out there. It's a lot of people that's excited. You've seen how many people's in their Discord and their Twitter page. They're going to go fast. Trust me, man. They're going to be gone. You gotta excuse me. I've been talking a lot. My voice going out right now, but they're going to be going fast. I like that you can boost up your rewards by holding the NFT. See, projects like this is what I like. Now, this token does have governance. Lava Financial will run itself on a DAO structure with node holders having the final say in decisions made by and for the protocol. Only full node holders, no flexible node holders, only full node holders will be able to participate in governance votes via G-Lava token. It's airdropped at each node creation. So I guess when you create it, it's just an additional token that really doesn't have any value. If you ask me, I don't know if it has value, but I guess it just gives you that option to make your votes. So they give you these tokens so you can make your votes if you're a full node holder. And at the bottom, it just shows the rest of the team, who developed it, written by, and all that stuff right there. I say this every time, go on here, look at it yourself. It's worth taking a look at, especially if you're putting your money into it. So hey family, that's the project, lava.financial. Go check it out. Tell me what you think in the comments. It's gonna be on the Avax chain. I don't know if I said that, but it's gonna be on Avalanche, so I'm super psyched about that. Low gas fees when I'm making my transactions. You already know what it is. So if this is your first time to the channel and you like the content, hit that like, subscribe, get that bell notification, and share it with your friends. That way you don't miss out when I drop new content like this. Hustle Crypto family, it's been a good video. I gotta get up out of here. I'm in the lobby of the hotel. So like I always say, be safe, do your own research, and always be hustling crypto. See you in the next one. Peace.